Hello everyone. Guess what? Hey Siri, pause the music. Cool. That's our new HomePod. Anyway, we got karaoke for the holidays. We found this kit on Amazon. Actually, PYLE makes good microphone systems, and we got a cool one. It's got two microphones and a transmitter, and here it is. And then it has volume and RF signal notification. And then if we just go in here, let me open this up. Let's see, should be kind of cool.
Unboxing.
What?
Unboxing. Okay.
Oh, so it's like unboxing. It is an unboxing video. If we go here, wow, this is cool. What is this? Register your product for a 1-year warranty and get a free gift, plus an additional 3-month warranty extension. All right, we'll do that. That's cool. Thanks, PYLE. And then here's the manual, so we'll read that, which is good. And then here's the system. Even ships with batteries, which is nice.
Oh, it comes with the batteries. Some are not giving batteries.
Yeah, that's great. Usually it's not doing that. Yeah, so that's really good. And yeah, so here's the microphone, the first microphone.
And what is the reason why we bought this?
Okay, so well, we got this so we could sing karaoke together as a family over the holidays. So it's important that we're able to do that. We got one of these, and it's a good system. Just takes double A's. You can kind of see the connections right there, but that's okay. And then we're gonna close this. You can just turn that, and then this will have an on-off switch. Actually, there's a mute in the middle.
Where's the charger of my phone? Your phone?
My phone, there with the laptop. It's the same one. And
This one?
no, your phone? Oh, this one. It's connected to the
This is
watch.
not my phone. It's your phone.
Oh, to the watch.
Just using it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it low bat?
Kind of, yeah, 11%, 90%.
Oh.
We have another one, right?
Yeah, I don't know
Where
where
was
it is.
that?
In there, hun. It's in there.
Where?
In here, sorry. In the drawer.
Yeah, you go.
Okay. No. So then here's the other thing. Other one is the receiver module. This is a transmitter receiver. And let's see. Yeah.
Hold on.
It's so delicate. Alright, but there it is. And the two volume adjusters here. The on-off switch. This feels like it won't break, but it's not heavy. It feels...
Small lang pala ito.
Yeah, it's definitely a small size, so that's good. And then here in the back, we got audio out, which is this cable right here. And this is going to go into our, we call it television or
TV,
stereo system.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Make sure that your TV is...
Make sure, oh yeah, make sure it's like a smart TV.
Stop.
Oh, when did
Okay,
it
go.
stop?
Continue.
Oh, okay.
No, they just go.
Oh, okay. So make sure your TV's like a smart TV so you can load on a karaoke app. And you can sing all night long. It's just standard cable. Plug that in and yeah. Essentially this should just be really easy to,
The way mic.
yeah, rock and roll. You got also these covers for the mics, and they're kind of cool, kind of fun. They're different colors. So let's see here. Put a nice seal on here. Get in there. I don't know. Let's use a scissor. What if I just like? Yeah, it's not gonna work, but that did help. So there we go. All right. There we go. A bunch of different styles and colors here. This one's kind of crushed, but okay. It's going back to life. All right. No harm. Hold on here. All right, wait. Yeah. It's like a beanie. Beanie for the mic. All right. And is it there all the way? Yeah. Kinda.
Cute.
It's cute. All right. That's awesome. We need an accompanying color as well for the other one. Which color, Monet, do you think? We have the red. All right, that'd be cool. Contrast. All right. Let's make sure that this is alive.
Maybe the yellow, sorry.
You want yellow? Okay. Yellow. I'm excited. I'm so excited. I love karaoke. I miss it from the Philippines. And here, whatever, anything. I miss karaoke. Alright.
PYLE is a US brand.
Yeah, it is. I mean, they're selling here, definitely. So, there we go. Awesome. Rockers. Chick, chick, chick. Cool.
How to work that, you think?
Yeah, let's pop some batteries in, plug this in, and try to get it connected. Hopefully it'll just light right up and
Wireless na.
connect right away. Yeah, it's all wireless. It's great. Let's see, do I need some for this, or can I just... something right here. Oh, there we go. There, and there we go. Cool. Let's go on and make this happen. All right, so we got one, we got two. Good.
I wanted ng camera ng
Ha.
iPhone 12.
What about it?
Clear.
It's really clear. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Even though
awesome.
it's low bat.
Oh, really? It's an awesome phone. I know. Has some
And
camera.
it's fast.
Yeah.
Really fast.
Or camera.
Nah.
Camera. It's a good camera. Really good. There we go.
Cool.
Very cool. All right.
It's good, son, if you can connect there, ne?
That would be awesome. We can connect this to our
You
portal.
can sing here with this portal.
Yeah, that would be sweet. Converter cable, which is just gonna be it's gonna be this to like a RCA or something like that, just to get this into the speaker system. But that's not hard to find and do, so we'll get that working. And then yeah, let's test it out. All right, so I need to put this.
Where are you gonna put that?
Should we just test it in here?
You can test it?
Yeah, I have to bring in
Okay.
the speaker.
Oh, that one can use?
No, like the big speaker.
Oh,
Oh, should we just wait?
yeah, we can just wait.
All right, we're gonna wait. We'll hook it up to the CV. We'll show you then. All right.
Yeah.
See you soon. Bye. Thank you.